His memorial at Kapiburu is a source of inspiration even today.
We are very thankful and really grateful not just to the family of Pandit Raghunath Murmu but to the entire Santhal community that they have given us this opportunity and allowed us to undertake repair and renovation work at the Samadhi Sthal of Pandit Raghunath Murmu. We hope to convert it into a place of pilgrimage for the entire Santhal community to congregate over there and seek inspiration from their own hero who has done social awakening but also an educational awakening and a literary awakening of the Santhal people.
Tata Steel before 1 year gan हुई ना गुरुओं के तकिना जहाँ बैठा हूँ उन्हें ना डेवलपमेंट मैंने स्टार्टिंग करना
पंडित रघुनाथ मुर्मू ने एक सपना दिया कि समाज को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए भाषा साहित्य लिपि की आवश्यकता होती है और उन्होंने अपने दम से बहुत सारा काम किया। अंततः 22 दिसंबर 2003 को ये भाषा को 8वीं अनुसूची में हम लोगों ने शामिल कराया। प्रति वर्ष प्राइमरी, मिडिल, मैट्रिक, इंटरमीडिएट तक की परीक्षा का संचालन हम लोग करते हैं। ऑल इंडिया संथाली एजुकेशन काउंसिल एक रजिस्टर्ड ट्रस्ट है और लगभग 10,000 विद्यार्थी प्रति वर्ष इस परीक्षा में बैठते हैं और हम उनको सर्टिफिकेट देते हैं।
Just as Pandit Raghunath Murmu believed and led his life following this ideal of propagating the Santhali language and working towards preservation of his language and his script and his culture, we at Tata Steel also believe that for any culture to remain alive, a fundamental matrix or fundamental marker of that culture is its language. If the language won't remain alive, eventually the culture will also get lost. In the past few years, we have started to preserve several tribal languages, Santhali being one of them. Not just the language, but more importantly the script, because fortunately we have a script which Pandit Raghunath Murmu had invented. So we work on preserving the script, and through the script the language, and then literature as well, because if literature flourishes, then the language will also flourish.
Guru Gomke, Pandit Raghunath Murmu's key directive was